What's up, guys? Extreme Tube here, and today, sorry for the train and the guy in the back mowing grass, but today, I'm sure you saw by the title, the soda explosion challenge. So right here, I got a Diet Coke in a can. We're gonna see if we can pop it, you know, because if I shake it up, can't even squeeze it. It's so much carbonation in it. Now here's what I'm thinking, guys. If I'm able to take this and we're gonna do some drop tests, then I'm just gonna chuck it at the ground and see if it'll explode. Here we go, guys. So I'm gonna drop it. Ooh, what happened? Let's take a look at the damage. Just some grass all over it. Looks pretty good. That don't look too good. Alright, guys, here we go. Next up, drop test from the head. Ooh, man. Oh yeah, that's gonna bust, guys. That is so gonna bust. Here we go. We're gonna do it. Set up the camera. Here we go, guys. I don't know if I want to have it up in the air or have it see the explosion. I'm going to put it right here. Here we go, guys. Oh, God. Oh gosh! Oh my God, guys! That thing just blew up! Oh! Oh wow, that's bad. Ooh, ground's hot. Ooh, hot, ooh, hot. Oh my God, guys! Look at that! That is insane! I don't believe it. Look! It just tore the top of... All of it went everywhere. Oh my God. Look at this side of it smashed and the top and busted off. Ooh. Man, that's insane. That's insane. Alright, guys, that was a quick little video for right now. There will be another video today, hopefully, if I'm able to get to it. If there's not another video today, it's just that I didn't have the time to make it. I probably will make one today. Might not be uploaded today, but please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.